Minister in charge of Tourism, Paul Lyngdoh, today said that the total tourists who attended the Cherry Blossom Festival last year were 22,991. Replying to a query of VPP MLA from North Shillong, Adalbert Nongrum, the minister said the total number of tourists in the premium category accommodation was 1,269 staying in Vivanta, Marriott and Reconjai. The number of tourists in mid-range hotels was 15,205 during the festival, while 6,517 tourists stayed in homestays. He further said the total tax revenue generated from all hotels in the state for November 2023 was Rs 1.44 crores, while the comparative tax revenue figure for earlier month of October amounts to Rs 1.36 crore.
The number of tourists in premium category accommodation was 22,991 tourists attended the Cherry Blossom Festival 2023. The total number of tourists in premium category accommodation was 1,269, including Vivanta, Marriott, and Reconjai. Number of tourists in mid-range hotels was 15,205. Sir, the total tax revenue generated for all hotels in the state for November 2023 was 1.44 crore. The comparative tax revenue figure for the earlier month of October amounts to Rs 1.36 crore.
Health Minister Dr. M.